broken.
Alright, so the dogs and I are going to start the truck to go save Doodle McStrudel, our mailbox. We may not make it back alive, but it's a risk we're willing to take. Bye! Come on, Pepper!
And she failed. Shira has officially fallen down. Shira is now almost completely buried in our driveway in the wonderful winter blizzard of 2011. Alright. She's back up. She might make it. She's back up. Go. Go. He's fine. Just go. Go save him. Go save Doodle McStrudel. Go. He's eating the snow. Go save Doodle McStrudel. Do not give up on your mission.
No musical soundtrack.
Da, 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 da.
That's not right.
Do we have mail?
Not anymore.
Just snow? He's saved! Hooray! Ta-da! Strudel, you're a snow puppy. Snow puppy! Herpy! He's free! He made it out! He's fine. He's in the garage. All right. Now it's time to try to clear away some of this. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.